Hey guys, to the channel, welcome back. If you're a returning subscriber, today I'm going to teach y'all how to make glowing body oil, and these ones are going to be specifically soldejaneiro like dupes. Soldejaneiro 62 I believe. So yeah, we're going to be making those dupes today, and I just want to show you guys how to make them. So besides the oils and everything like that, let me just scoop these. So I'm going to be using these bottles. And then for fragrance oils, I'm going to be using this balm. This smells exactly like Soldejaneiro, like just like it. The balm from Crafter's Choice. And then I'm going to be mixing these two. So dragon fruit hibiscus. And then we have sugared papaya. But honestly, I just want to just show you how to make a DIY glowy body oil. So this one's going to be more on the glowy side, purely for shine. This is going to be a very shiny oil. So when you're making shiny oil, get all the oils that work best for you and work best for your skin. First oil is vitamin E. This is such an amazing oil, especially if you want like hydrated, glowy skin. I'm gonna put around an ounce in here. And then y'all, since this oil is like heavy, I'm gonna put this. Okay. Next is some jojoba oil. This oil is gonna be more for, like, you know, if you're out going tanning. I'm gonna put around 80 ounces of that in there. This is sweet almond oil. I'm gonna put around an ounce of that in here. If you want like those like Instagram pictures where it's like just super shiny, your skin is like really shiny and glowing, this is perfect. So yeah, you're gonna want to mix because the vitamin E oil is very thick and heavy, especially if you get a high quality one. So yeah, just mix that on. Mix that up. And y'all, making 16 ounces because each of those like little bottles in the back are 8 ounces. Next is cocoa nut oil. I'm gonna put around an ounce of that in here. This is a little bit more than an ounce. This is also like a heavy hitter right here. Liquid shea butter. So you're gonna be needing to put liquid shea butter. I'm gonna put around And then next, of course, we're going to go in with some sunflower oil, 2 ounces of that. For some apricot oil. Some coconut oil. I'm gonna put a little bit of coconut oil only because coconut oil is greasy. Oil, I don't want it too greasy. But yeah, so the vitamin E, the glowing aspect. Now we're gonna go with some grapeseed oil. And then top it off with some rice bran. Just add a little bit of that. You don't need too much of that. And y'all, this is the oil base. So y'all will see why I am putting it in a cup. So yeah, I'm putting around 6 ounces in here. So the reason I'm putting it in a cup because of obviously I'm splitting it in half. So around 1 ounce of fragrance oil is good. That's like a good measurement. Ooh. All right, y'all, this smells exactly like Sol de Janeiro. Honestly, I'm gonna put a little bit more fragrance oil, so that makes it a full 8 ounces. So yeah, I put around 1.5 ounces of fragrance oil and a 6 ounce of oil. Y'all, it smells exactly like Sol de Janeiro. This is crazy. And I'm gonna just, so this is why I'm using the cup, so that I can easily pour it in. Okay. I did not expect, y'all, that has never happened to me before. I did not expect it to like literally just spill everywhere. Let me clean this up really quick. Hey y'all, that has not happened to me before. But yeah, so yeah, just be cautious of using the cups. But that's why I use the cup though, because so I can easily pour it in. Now, and some of it did like fall. You know, this is the Sol de Janeiro dupe. Okay, period. Next, so I would mix it in with the cloud one because the other one does smell like cloud. But yeah, I'm gonna just eyeball this because I don't feel like getting the scale. And I'm gonna add a little bit of the sugared papaya hibiscus, which you don't have to, but I'm going to. It's basically dragon fruit, sugar papaya, and hibiscus. This is such a yummy summer scent, y'all. This just smells so good. Yeah, it smells good. And then now, so yeah, y'all, these are the body oils, and I'm gonna put a try test in the video. So I'm gonna be showing y'all what the oil looks like on the skin, and it, just to note, this is very different from my typical body oil formula. So y'all, this oil, okay, pour it on the skin. Let me see if I can get a good shot. This is kind of a lot. Y'all, this smells exactly like Sol de Janeiro. What the? So yeah, this is what it looks like. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It eventually does absorb into your skin, but it is super like moisturizing, and it is the type of oil that will leave you like a little glowy. So yeah, that is what the oil looks like. It's not it's not too oily. Like, it literally will give your skin the perfect glow. But y'all, these are the body oils. These smell so good, and it gets me so ready for summer. And like, summer's not even my favorite season, but these get me ready for summer. Like the Sol de Janeiro, like the Bum Bum one, just smells so freaking good. Like pistachios, caramel, vanilla, just smells amazing. And this one is a very fruity, sugary, sweet, like floral. It just smells so good. and this is my vibe. Okay, actually they're both. Thank y'all so much for watching the video. I hope y'all liked it, and I hope that y'all was able to learn something from this video when it comes to body oils. I am going to include like a wearing video or a test video. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and if you are interested in ordering any of the items, the exact items that I use, I do have an affiliate link down below for my Amazon. These are affiliated Amazon links, so when you purchase the items through my links, I get a small commission from it. So yeah, thank you so much to everybody who has been using it and supporting me and my channel. Thank y'all so much, because you don't have to do it, but you choose to. So thank you. Also, check out my website, Thebeautypackage.com. Follow me on all social medias. And y'all, I do have my spring collection coming up very soon. By the time you're watching this, it might be out, it might not post. But yeah, but my spring collection will be out. I'll be having scents like berries and cream, pear berry, jasmine and vanilla, just so many amazing nice scents. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.